Hi everyone, it's Judy here. Welcome to today's video. I have not sat down and properly filmed a video in almost 2 months, and so today I just felt like playing with makeup. For today's video, I'm going to be creating a makeup look using the Juvia's Place Warrior 3 eyeshadow palette. Now, in no universe anywhere would this ever be considered a natural palette. So with the eyeshadow look that I'm going to be creating today, or I have pictured in my mind to create, is going to be an all-out eyeshadow look. Now, there was a photo on the Juvia's Place Instagram page that I really super loved, and I kind of wanted to try and do my best to recreate this photo. Now, this photo is posted on Juvia's Place's Instagram marketing the Warrior 3 palette, so I know I'll be able to create this look with this palette. It doesn't look like it's using all the shades in this palette. It's omitting the yellow and the green. I'm going to try and incorporate the yellow and the green and maybe the shimmery blue somewhere in this look. I don't know, we'll see how I go. I just feel like getting all down and dirty with these eyeshadows and just having a bit of a play. So this photo is definitely inspiration for the look that I'm going to be attempting to create today. It's currently 8:30 in the evening. I feel like I'm definitely an evening person. I feel like I'm more productive at night. Are any of you like that? I just don't feel like I want to get into creating things until it gets really late at night and close to bedtime. So I really cherish the evenings where I know I have the next day off. So anyway, let's get down into this video. I'm just going to play some music over it. It's not going to be a tutorial because I just want to have a bit of play. And yeah, thanks guys for being here. Thank you for watching, and let's get straight into this video. Okay, so here's where I go off the beaten track for a bit. I want to use a bit of the pinks and purples and oranges as my face contour blush coloring type of vibe, if that makes any sense at all whatsoever. I did want to incorporate as many of these shadows as I could on my face. I don't have a highlight shade in this palette, so I'm going to have to use something else in place of this. But yeah, I'm just going to have a bit more of a play with some color. Okay, what I'm about to do next may completely ruin this look, but I mean, it's pretty not wearable already anyway, so I mean, what worse can I do? I'm gonna be taking some of this yellow eyeshadow and putting it through my eyebrows, just so that I have some of that yellow from the palette on my face somewhere. What do you reckon? I don't even know if that did anything or if you can see the yellow through my bushy ass eyebrows, but it's there. I enjoyed having a bit of a play with makeup. I have not had creative, colorful makeup like this on my face for literal months, and it was just great to be able to sit down and have a play and get creative with some color. I wasn't quite sure about it at one point in the video. I was thinking, but when it's all come together and actually doesn't look half bad. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't educational, but if anything, I hope it maybe inspired you to get creative with some color. Put a bit of color on your face. Don't be afraid to put it on anywhere. You know, it's always fun to just have a bit of a play with color. And yeah, and I finally was able to have a bit of a play with the Juvia's Place Warrior 3 palette. I have not used this before yet on my channel. Now, with just a quick overview with the colors, I have swatched all of these before, and the matte ones I find are quite patchy, but when it comes to applying it on the actual face, they're actually very smooth and very blendable. So it just goes to show that swatching doesn't really say a lot for the way that it's going to apply on your face. The purple was a little bit patchy, but not as patchy and chalky as I thought it was going to be, being a purple. I've done a full swatch video of all the purples in my entire eyeshadow palette collection. I'm going to leave that video linked down below or in the card up here if you guys are interested in seeing it. But it just goes to show that, again, swatches are not any indication of how it's going to apply to the face. It blended out really nicely. It built up really nicely as well. So all in all, very happy with this palette. I actually really love it. It's nice to be able to finally have had a chance to play with it and apply it on my literal entire face. So anyway, that concludes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and ring the notification bell because I put a new video out every Sunday. You can also follow me on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. All of them are lifeaskikay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for being here. I really truly appreciate that you've chosen to spend your time here with me today, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye!